Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We are here at Extended Stay America in Columbia, Maryland / Ellicott City Parkway. So, yeah, it's my first extended stay. Literally just checked in here, so you're getting the same experience as I am getting. Same as first look. Alright, so we're on we got room one double bed, and it's an ADA room. So ADA room is for handicapped people. Everything's just lowered to the ground. Got this deal on a third-party site called Trip.com. I use TripAdvisor to compare all the sites, find the cheapest rate possible, and I paid $77 for one night. It was this cheap for this area at this time. So let's see what I'm getting myself into here. So here's a map. Right here. Deadbolt. Latch lock. Security rules. Maryland state law. Mount hotels, I guess. The maximum room rate here. Alright, so here's a little kitchen area. We got a freezer. Looks clean, a little scuffed up there, but not a big deal. Got some of that here. That looks like that's just there from age. See that there? Let's see what that is. Yeah, the thing seems to be clean. It's just worn out from age, it looks like. Right here we got a little microwave. What's this clean? Stove, range hood. See what we got in here? Nothing. Thought there was supposed to go with dishes in here, but no, apparently not. Okay. No dishes. We got a lamp. Nice cable management. But this lamp does not seem to work right here. So that's cool. Okay. Got this thing here about COVID, I would assume. Paper. Front desk. And no daily housekeeping, standard stuff. Here's something talking about ADA. Got a low dresser here, ADA room. Got a 32-inch LG TV. What's up? Got a little closet with a curtain here. Iron board, hangers. We got our Amana P-Tac, which is blowing nice and cold. Everything's controlled right there. Got some curtains. Here's our window of the parking lot. Got some lights. Lampshades see some better days, but they're there. These lights work at least. Here is the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Here's my room number, you guys wondering. Here's our double bed. Got some nice Marriott looking linens. This bed seems a little firm, but we'll see how it goes tonight when I sleep. Got this little cage around smoke detector, little desk, chair, another lamp, which does work. Okay. Another little desk, so you got two workspaces here. Fused panel. Here's our bathroom. Sink, toilet, bathroom, once again ADA room. So we got that. If you see here, there's water in the tub, which I'm gonna drain out because that was not for me. Some soap, some shampoo, more towels. There's only one light, which the bathroom be lit a little bit better, but everything seems to be clean. Got a little stuff like this is scuffed up, but clean. Mirror, what's up? So little stuff like that. But and this, this is a little loose, but so got sink there. So in conclusion, what this room is, it's my first time staying at extended stay hotels, and I think Stay America. I think this is like a more budget. You got this here too. See that? But this is a more. I think this is a more budget extended stay chain in general. But $77, for the area. We're looking pretty good here. There's a little stuff. I guess the trend here, stuff is just really worn than anything. Nothing's really dirty, so I'll take worn and used over a dirty room. So let's take one more pan of the kitchen area while we're here. And bathroom. Yeah, pan of the room here, double bed, ADA room. And I'm actually staying here for a wedding by myself while the rest of my family and my dad's sister and girlfriend are staying at the Residence Inn Marriott across the street. I do not want to be, I'm staying here by myself because I do not want to be crammed in a room with 3 people and sleep on the floor. So I went ahead and got a room here, last minute deal. So things don't look that bad. Get one more look of the room. And yeah, if you guys like what you see, please share and subscribe, and press the like button and press the bell for notifications. And with that being said, KW out.